friends, welcome back to our channel Programming Minds Academy. So in this lecture we are going to look into operators in C++. So what is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical functions. It simply means operators are used to perform the operations on different variables and the operands. There are different types of operators. Following are the few: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operator, and other miscellaneous operator. So we will see one by one. So first, I'll explain the arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators is a mathematical function that takes two operands and performs the calculation on them. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo operator are nothing but the arithmetic operators. So now if you look at the example, on the left hand side you will see there are two operands A and B which is having the value of 10 and 12. So whenever you have to use the arithmetic operator, you need to put operand on both of its sides. So you can see the addition for A plus B which gives as 22. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus all works in the same way. So subtraction A minus B is equal to minus 2. On the right hand side you can see the output from the current code. So these are the arithmetic operators which are used to perform the operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So now we will look into the relational operators. The relational operators are used for comparing two expressions and yield the true or false, which means it will give you the result as true or false using the two operands. So equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. These are the relational operators which defines the relation between the two operands or the variables. So let's go ahead with the relational operator example. On the left side, you can see we have used the operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and the less than equal to. So these operator compares the value of A and B. On the right hand side, you can check the output which is given. So it will just give you as a 0 or 1, which is nothing but the true or false condition, and 0 is nothing but the false and 1 is nothing but the true. So the operations which are performed by the relational operators are nothing but the relationship between the two operands or two variables. So now we will look for the logical operators. Logical operators are operators which determine the relation between two or more operands and return the specific output as a result of that relation. So we have three logical operators: one logical AND, second logical OR, and third logical NOT. Let's take a look at logical operators. So in this we have seen that condition, logical OR, logical AND and logical NOT is given in the code, and the output for that which is given on the right hand side. So you can see when the comparison happens, it will just give you true or false depending on the condition. So now the next operator is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform the bitwise operation on a bit patterns or a binary numerals that involve the manipulation of the individual bits. It simply means bitwise operators are used to perform the operation on a binary numerals. We have binary AND, binary OR, binary XOR, binary complement, binary shift right and binary shift left. These operations perform the same thing which performed by the bitwise operations. It only means it will work as a bit pattern. The next operator type is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variable. So now on the screen you can see there are multiple operators which are nothing but the assignment operators, and it has the equal to sign. So x plus equal to y is equivalent to x is equal to x plus y, which means in x it will add the value of x as well as the value of y. So these are nothing but the short forms for the conditions which are shown on the right side. If we take an example of assignment operator, you can see on the left hand side in the code we have after addition and after subtraction condition for the x. On the right hand side you can see the condition is given and the addition is 15 and the subtraction is 5. According to this, others also work. So these are some miscellaneous operators which are present in the C++. So what is the size of operator? Size of operator will give you the data type of that particular variable. Condition operators returns the result depending on the true or false of the condition. The AND represents the memory address of the variable which it has passed. The dot operator is used to access the member of the struct variables. And the arrow operator is used with the pointer to access the members of that particular point. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is all about the operators which are present in the C++. Thank you.